Hi! In front of me is HUAWEI Nova Y91, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. You need to begin by opening one of your apps that you wish to use in this view and accessing it in the background. In order to do that with Tricky's navigation, tap on this square button. Now tap on the top right corner of your app and open the other one, like Gallery. To open split screen view, you need to hold this line at the top of your first app opened in pop-up view and drag it all the way up or all the way down. If you see this gray area, let go. As you can see, now I can use both of my apps at the same time. If you wish to go back from this mode, drag one of your apps all the way up or all the way down and tap on Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!